Hello and welcome to MBA Day 1. We're going to create the activity for Day 1 1.1. Click the Google Drive button, click New Folder, and type the title that you want to use. And click Create or Enter in your laptop or desktop. We can click the right button in our mouse, choose Organize, and choose the color that you want to for you to see the folder that you're looking for under the MVA Search Marketing. You can also click the star button so it will be easy for you to access the folder. Now, click the MVA Search Marketing. We're going to create a subfolder naming MVA Day 1. This folder is for all the activities under MVA Day 1. We can also organize and choose a color. I choose red. Click MVA Day 1 and create 5 subfolders. MVA Day 1.1, MVA Day 1.2, MVA Day 1.3, you can also create or open that file that you want to, but later on I will discuss that. Click New Folder, and the last folder, MVA Day 1.5. Create. As you can see earlier, we changed the color to organize and easily see the folder that we're looking for. Okay. Now again, earlier I said we can upload the file. We choose MVA Day 1.1, new file upload. As you can see in the screen, there are six screenshots. I will push the shift button, click one by one, and open. There you can see that the screenshots are going to be uploaded under the folder MVA Day 1.1. Why? Because these data might be needed for MVA Day 1.1. But this is just my example. If you don't want to use this one, you can easily click the 3 buttons, move to trash, and all the files will be deleted. Now we're going to go back to MVA Day 1. There are 5 folders under MVA Day 1 because there are 5 activities for Day 1. But then, let's proceed again to My Drive. In My Drive, I have a lot of folders, but I can easily see MVA Search Marketing because the color is different from my files in My Drive. Clicking these 3, we can share by clicking share and or copy link. In this manner, we can easily send the file to other people, especially to our clients. After that, we can close the drive and we are done. That's all for today. Thank you.